So today is not just your ordinary cake wars. For us, our cake wars incorporated a cereal of their choice. They had to make it a sort of a challenge, and they got to pick a theme. So each team had to do a 2-layer cake, and it was a 5-day process. So I had to teach them how to do piping and lettering and those type of things. Day one of the serious competition, they had to do a crumb coat. From the crumb coat, then they had to decorate it, creating roses, or whatever theme they come up with them and their partners. So in Cake Wars, it's about individualism and it's about teamwork as well. The teamwork shows that person pulling their part.
Winning Cake Wars was really fun. It was a new experience, but it was also hectic. We had to try different things. If different things didn't work, we had to quickly change everything. But in the end, we pulled it together and we managed to win. This experience, it was fun, but we also had to learn how to work on time management and being organized, not stress too much, because when we stress, we mess up.
It was fun to work together and everything and just like cohabitat, like come up with new ideas from each other.